All right, here we go, guys. Haven't even cleaned this one up or anything. Bilateral 4-power dx350. So you might be wondering, well, that looks like a Texas Star. Well, this is what Texas Star looked like before they actually started calling them Texas Star. So there's a few of these that are kind of rare to see out there. This is one of them, this bilateral dx350. I think one was called like a White Line 400. There's a dx600 that is a it's all 454s. It's one driving 454s. And then you have this guy right here. There's a few more too, but then you have this guy here, dx350, which I'll pop the covers. Yes, I do have the screws for it. As you can see, is a one driving 2. Over here to the right, you've got that little driver transistor. And I'm just going to take a guess that it's probably like a 1446, a 454, something like that. But two Toshiba 2879s in here, and we're just going to test it, make sure the output's good. Obviously an older amp, used amp, but nonetheless we want to make sure it's good to go before we sell it to anybody. And if there's anything wrong with it, we will figure it out. So all 4 lights on the, well, I shouldn't say all 4. 3 of the 4 lights on the front do work. The preamp actually does work on it, so that's also a plus. If you don't know, not only does this act as your sideband delay, hello, but it's also a power adjustment. So that comes into the 4-power part. So you got 4 different power levels. With both switches out, the amp is wide open, a little less, a lot less. And we'll demonstrate that here in the video. But with that being said, we'll go ahead and get into the test. No need to stretch this thing out. 14.6 is what we're testing at here. It probably would handle a little bit more voltage. No fan on these, so that's the way I would run it. Just 14.5 volts. We'll go ahead and give it a good audio. So about 24 amps worth of current draw out of this guy. And we'll come over here to the watt meter, average power. We've got a 500 watt slug in there, so we probably need to back the dead key on down a little bit. We'll go right there with it, about 75, 80 watts. Hello, audio. Hello. And we're seeing about 200 watts average. And then we'll go to PEP. Hello, audio. Just under 400 watts PEP. Audio. So, this thing is called a dx350, and it's doing every bit of that. So now what we'll do, we're just going to work our way through the switches. The first thing we'll do, we'll push this one in, test it there. Then we'll go to the AM switch in, test it there. And then we'll go both switches in. All right, so for reference, that's what we're going to do. All right, here we go. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. So about 300 with the sideband switch in, AM switch in. Hello, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 350 on the dot. Both switches in. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 250. So that's what it does, guys. If you want to see how much current it draws on the lowest power, 15 amps. So that's it. Bilateral 4-power dx350. Check, check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Not one that you see every day. Kind of a rare little guy, I guess. But it's working good. It's doing what it's supposed to. It's rated at 350 watts. It's doing every bit of that plus some. So, bilateral 4-power dx350. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. This amp is available. All right, guys, let me know. See you, bye.